This is a promo for Paranormal Short Session 1 by Keith Evans at the Haunted Digital Alarm Clock. Today is Wednesday, the 1st of January 2025. Happy New Year. And I'm getting ready to turn on my Obelisk 5B, which you can see the thermal imager is shown it at 81 degrees, 81.9 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. My name is Keith Evans. What is your name? I just want names, please. My name is Keith Evans. What is your name? Leave? Why should I leave? Give me a good reason to leave. What is your name? My name is Keith Evans. Nice to meet you. Beans? Are you the dog Beans? Wow, that's just back-to-back words. Well, I hope you will watch my YouTube channel, Paranormal Short Sessions by Keith Evans. Thank you.